The latest is I just phoned to my high command and they say the area of Blessem is absolutely endangered. We have a 100-meter absolutely no-go zone from the rim of the actual sized hole of this Kiesgrube. They are investigating and doing reconnaissance missions with unmanned aerial vehicles to check if there are cracks in the ground, because the Leiter of the Erftverband, the water authorities who are in charge of monitoring the river, say the ground is so unstable that a 100-meter zone around the Kiesgrube might slip in and drop off immediately. So absolutely no-go area 100 meters away from the actual hole. In the rest of Blessem, they are investigating with civil engineers the state of the streets, of the buildings, and when and how it's safe to let civilians go back to their homes. We have another.
It could be days, weeks, or even longer, couldn't it?
Yes, might be. Don't know. I hope we will make it, but it's absolutely uncertain at the moment. We have another problem now in Erfstadt Liebla. It's the other side. There's a relatively new built home, welfare home for elder people. And in the basement, cracks show up, and the engineers say these cracks are widening, so they have to evacuate this home for older people immediately. So the troubles are not over yet.
Yeah. What sort of difficulties are your crews facing? I mean, they're numerous, aren't they? Especially things like power lines are down, there's no communications, sewers are running in the streets. Give me a sense of how tough the work is.
The greatest problem, the biggest problem is that there's too much to do for the fire brigade. It's situation we have seen in TV, but not in our hometown. And there are many sites which need to be bearbeitet, where you have to do work. You see here the bypass road which is blocked by water, by cars, by heavy lorries. And 500 meters away is Blessem with the Kiesgrube, the sand hole. It was a hole where you gain sand for construction purposes. And we are here in the old Rhine Valley of the Ice Age, and it's all sandy ground. And that is why the water can wash away the ground if there's a hole on the other side. You know, when you try to build a sandcastle on the North Sea and the flood comes, the sand becomes wet, it's completely flat, it washes away. And that is the problem we have here in an XXL size. That the ground is sandy and here's too much water and it's too much ground in motion.